Cue to Unwind is a scheduled reminder available for Hatch Plus subscribers that plays sound and light at a specific time to remind you to start your unwind routine. To schedule your cue to unwind, open the Hatch Sleep app and select your Restore To. Once on your Restore To homepage, tap Schedule Your Cue. First, select a light. Next, select a sound. You can select the time you would like your cue to begin automatically. At the set time, your Restore will begin your cue and let you know it's time to begin your bedtime routine. Select which days of the week you'd like your cue to repeat. Finally, adjust the brightness and volume of your cue to unwind. Tap Save at the top right corner. You can tap the toggle of your cue to unwind to disable it. Your cue will begin at the scheduled time and will play indefinitely until you tap the top of your Restore to begin your unwind routine. When you're ready to start your unwind routine, tap the Rest button located on the top of your Restore To. Now you've set up your cue to unwind on Restore To. If you have any questions, please contact the customer support team. We're here to help.